Okay, so all we need to make from scratch biscuits is self-rising flour that I talked about, whole milk, sugar, and cold butter. So there's 1 cup of self-rising flour. We're going to add a half a tablespoon of sugar for this half batch, just like so. Next thing, and this is critical to getting your nice fluffy biscuits. On the butter, it's cold. It was in my cooler. I got 3 tablespoons here for the half batch. I got a grater, okay? Not everybody's gonna have a grater. If you don't have a grater, you can whittle off little pieces with a dull knife or whatever, but wait, you want to try and get little pea-sized pieces, a bit at a time. And then I'm gonna start mixing it together, oops, so I can get these little pieces of butter individually coated, not all stuck together. And we'll grate some more in there. Next step, add our milk. We'll dump that in, mix this up. Now, I'm going to try and get this into a ball here. Got a rolling pin. We all carry a rolling pin camping, don't you? Next step, we're going to cut our biscuits. Go straight down, don't twist. Lift straight up. We'll put these in the Dutch oven. It's on the fire right now. It's got to get pretty hot. The Dutch oven's got to be, 400 to 425. That's pretty hot. And we'll move over there in a minute as soon as we give these about 10 minutes of rest. So now we can put our biscuits in. I got them on the parchment paper already, and we'll just stick that on there like so, and cover it up. Bring some of that fire to the top. So, give it a little air. Ow. Should probably wear gloves on both hands, huh? Alright. Let's keep this hot for 12 minutes. Alright, it's been 12 minutes. Let's see what we got. I managed to keep the temperature up like 400 to 450. I haven't taken a peek. Let's see. Now is the test. Get rid of that. There it is. Alright, they're not super browned on top, but they look pretty good. Look at the bottom. Not burnt. Yeah, I'm sure they're done. We'll take these off. Hey, look it out. Look, they're over an inch thick. Hey, they're hot. Okay, I'm gonna cover this up, keep them a little warm while we make the sausage gravy. So for my gravy, I'm not going to need a whole pound of sausage, which is what I had. So you only need about 1/4 to 1/3 of a pound, and the rest I just made into patties. We're going to fry those first before we make our gravy. Get those in there, get those cooked up like that. Get that started. They've been cooking a few minutes. See how they're doing? Oh yeah. just right. Give them a flip. Okay. These sausages to be done. Yeah, looking good. We'll put them off somewhere and keep warm. Right here with our biscuit. Break that up. Don't worry about that black. That's just the sausage from that we just cooked. Break this up. Move the pan, the shelf down a little bit to get it back warming up a little hotter. I don't want to put more wood on there. It's just going to get too hot or start stirring up ashes. So we just move closer to the fire. Sausage is all cooked, broken apart. But there's at least a tablespoon of oil in there. Hopefully 2. I think we're going to be okay anyway. We're going to need 2 cups of flour. Not 2 cups, 2 tablespoons. So there's 1. There's 2. Strong 2. Should do it. Now we're gonna heat this up for a little bit. Remember, you want to get that flour cooked a little so you don't end up with a raw flour taste. Alright, now the magic. Here comes the milk. It's gonna thicken up real quick at first, so you gotta be sure to be ready to start adding more. That's probably about it. If we get too thick, we'll add some more milk. But I might have hit it pretty close. Get that to a boil. It's going to start thickening up. You don't need to add much salt because, of course, the sausage has enough salt. But I'm going to put a little in there. But I'm definitely going to put in a lot of pepper. See what I mean? A lot of pepper. Look at that. I don't know if you can really tell, but that is looking and smelling awesome. I might even add just a little more milk because it's going to keep thickening up. Come on. Just a couple tablespoons. Alright, we can put it on my little fancy hot plate here and turn that so I can reach it. Here we go. See if you guys can see me. Yeah, you can see me. So here's we got our biscuits. Got some sausage. I'm gonna start off with that for now. Oh, maybe another one. Maybe another biscuit too. Although I like to break them in half. Remember how I made them to come apart? How about that? Huh? Not too bad for a country chef. Yeah, we'll get some of this gravy on there. Told you it thickened up. It's still not too thick, but could have even gone thinner a little bit. But This is some hearty stuff. Tons of sausage in there. Yeah. All right. Usually I make it quite a bit thinner, but that's okay. I was in a rush doing the filming, and well, let's try it. Let's taste it. Oh, before I do that, let's taste the biscuit plain. Oh, you know what I need? I need some of that Huckleberry Jam. Just that. Alright. That's what we need. I wanted to test this Huckleberry bourbon jam. First of all, plain bite. Oh man, these are good. Kind of buttery. But let's see what happens when you put some Huckleberry Jam on it. Oh man, Huckleberry. If you've never been to Montana, you don't know what I'm talking about. Huckleberry is its own flavor. It's better than blueberry. It's better than grape. It's Huckleberry. Closest thing I can compare it to would be Marionberry, which is over in Oregon. So anyway, I'm gonna put that aside a minute. Get back to these biscuits and sausage gravy. That was good. Alright, first bite. Man, you can eat that gravy just straight. Like I said, it's a little thicker than normal, but it's okay. Even that way. I could still thin it out and warm it back up, but I'm going to eat it as is. I got tons of pepper in there. I love that. Let's try our sausage. Good. Well, that skillet combo set worked excellent. I'm gonna stick to that. That's gonna be my main go-tos. Is just dragging those two along, and no more cast iron, except for maybe a special thing like the waffle iron or something like that. But I don't really need the Dutch oven no more. Sorry, Dutch oven. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this segment, and I'll see you around. I'm gonna go try and get more morel mushrooms, so I'm looking forward to that. Almost as much as eating Huckleberry biscuits. Take care, guys. Bye.